Hey guys, today I'm unboxing Vivo Y11. I bought it from Bhutan Telecom counter. If you're looking for a standard smartphone, I felt Vivo can be one of your choice. It can also save your budget because the price is quite reasonable. Vivo Y11 smartphone was launched on 18th October 2019. It has 5000 mAh battery with 3GB RAM and 32GB ROM. You can also expand the storage by using micro SD card. You should not accept if the seal is broken. Here I have already taken out the outer plastic cover. We can see here the country of origin is India. It is manufactured by Vivo Mobile India Private Limited. The actual MRP is rupees 12,990. The current price at Bhutan Telecom counter is rupees 9,490. It has both front and rear cameras. It also supports dual SIM. We have fingerprint sensor at the back. You can see here a mobile cover. Let's pitch the mobile cover. I bought this phone because my 7-year-old son wanted to play games. This is a warranty card. And finally we have a mobile charger. That's it for today. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. Sir Chogal. Thanks for watching and stay technically sound.